Himani, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another fashion video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to style one pair of biker shorts in 5 different ways. So the trend that we're going to be talking about today is the one I was not really sure about for a long time until one day I finally decided to style it, loved it, and now it surely has become one of my favorite fashion staples. I am talking about a pair of cycling shorts slash biker shorts. Most often falling somewhere between mid-thigh and knee, these stretchy shorts have come a long way from being practical to the eccentric. So many celebrities and fashion bloggers have been rocking biker short outfits from the runways to the streets, and I can't reiterate enough how chic it looks. So today I'm going to tell you some very easy ways to style your biker shorts to create some super chic outfits. I hope you enjoy watching this video and find it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you do. Also, please consider subscribing to my channel, hit the bell button, you know the drill. And yeah, let's get started. First, we come to the super comfy yet sporty outfit, perfect for the outdoor enthusiasts. Pair your biker shorts with a hoodie like this. I'm wearing these basic plain black shorts with my favorite orange hoodie, and top it up with a crossbody fanny pack or belt bag. I love how a fanny pack instantly elevates any basic outfit. And complete the look with sneakers and sunnies. This is one of the easiest ways to style a pair of biker shorts and look super cool at the same time. Now it's time to dress up our biker shorts. Take the biker shorts game to another level by pairing it with a blazer for an ultra chic look. I'm wearing this long line off-white blazer over black bralette. You can also replace the bralette with a crop top or tuck in a t-shirt and dress it up further with ankle strap heels. Carry a structured handbag and throw on some nice gold jewelry to complete the outfit. Next up is this very cute girly outfit perfect for a hot summer day. Here I've paired my biker shorts with a floral button-down shirt. You can wear any shirt you want and tie it in a front knot. And to give it a nice feminine touch, I've used a bucket hat and this pastel blue handbag. Go easy on the accessories and complete the look with some cute open-toed summer sandals. Now we come to this super fun and edgy outfit, which also happens to be one of my favorite. Go for an all black outfit with a twist to stand out from the crowd. Here I've paired my black shorts with a well-tailored black blazer, black ankle boots, and to break the monotony, I've cinched the waistline using this fun printed belt. Then I completed the look with these tinted sunnies, black leather backpack, and love how this outfit turned out to be. Last but not the least is the super easy, comfy and laid-back outfit. Pair your biker shorts with an oversized tee. You can even borrow your dad's, brother's, husband's or boyfriend's t-shirt, and since the t-shirt is very loose and baggy, use a nice belt bag to define your waistline. And yeah, some nice summery footwear, sunglasses, and you're good to go. And it's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful. Please share and give a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't tried any biker short outfit yet, trust me, it's time to go for it now. Do let me know in the comment section below which of these outfits was your favorite, and please consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. You just have to hit that red subscribe button down below, or you can subscribe by clicking on my picture in this small circle over here. Also hit the bell notification button so that you know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.